guys. So, some have been field trips, some have been good. We're going to bring things up with this emotion exercise. Throwing some things out, and I have to sing it with emotion. And we're going to do today something contemporary. One of my all-time favorites. I really love Someone Like You. I do. All right. So, okay. All right, what am I starting with?
Happy.
I heard that you're settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now.
Sad.
I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I couldn't get to you.
Angry.
Old friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light.
Happy.
I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't hide it. I'd hoped you'd think the way that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over.
Sad.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too.
Angry.
Don't forget me, oh babe. I remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, sometimes it hurts instead. So you can see some things just feel really off with that. Like happy in this song, maybe like sprinkling in there. That felt so odd.